Hello guys, so in this video we will show how to use a text in HTML. So first of all, open the Sublime text editor. So just search for the Sublime text and open this application. So when it is opened, just click to the file and new file, and in the plain text you can choose HTML. So first is to create a HTML file. So first is to create a HTML text. So HTML, and close this tag by type slash in the start. So in the HTML, type the head and close this tag, and in the next head the body and close this. So to go, it is a structure for the HTML code. So to go faster, you don't have to type the HTML structure. So just type HTML and the next and the tab button. So retrieve, so HTML and the tab, and here is the structure. So the HTML is a tag. So the HTML tag tells the browser that this is a HTML document. So the tag represents the root of the HTML documents. So the head element is a container for all the head elements. So the head element can include a title for the document, a script, a style, information, and any information for the website. So the body tag defines the document's body. The body element contains all the contents of the HTML document, such as the headings, a paragraph, or an image or table, and more. So to change the HTML title, just type, for example, page title. So yeah, and the text you can write anything. So for example, this is a page, and save this file by file, save, and for example save to the desktop, and the name, for example, index is the index, so index.html, and save this file, and here is the file. So open this file in the browser, and here is the title, and here is the text in the web page. So for example, if you want to create a heading, so in the body you can type, so for example, head 1, and close this tag. For example, so my first heading, So if you file, save, and reopen this file by reload this file. So reload, and here is the heading. So it has a heading 1 from the 1 to 5. So just copy this and change the change the number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It is a heading, but the different level. So file, save, or the Control plus S. So file, save, and reload this page, and here is the heading, but the different level. For example, if you want to create a paragraph, so paragraph pay, and this is a paragraph, and close this tag. So if you want to create another paragraph, so just type P, and this is another paragraph, and close this tag. So when reload this file, here is the paragraph, and here is the another paragraph. It is the same level, but this is a different level. So see you next time. So thank you for watching.